Quick question. Are you struggling to get leads online? Feeling like you're doing all the things but nothing's really working? Well, in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step plan to fix that. No digital marketing plan? No worries, this guide is designed for beginners and small business owners like you. I'm from Hemworld. We are a full-service digital marketing agency helping businesses grow with data-driven SEO, ads, and social strategies. Grab a notebook or open your Notes app. Let's build your online growth plan right now. Alright, let me ask you, what do you want from your digital marketing? More leads? Website traffic? Brand awareness? Think of it this way, if you're a real estate business, you probably want leads. If you're a fashion brand, you might want Instagram followers and engagement. So pause for a second and write down your number one goal. Because if you don't know where you're going, how will you know if you're getting there? Next, who are you actually talking to? Let's not say everyone, that's the fastest way to get ignored. Get specific. How old are they? What's their job or daily routine like? What problems are they trying to solve? If you're selling fitness gear, you're not just targeting people who work out. Maybe you're targeting busy IT professionals who want to stay fit but have zero time. The more clearly you define them, the easier it is to connect. Talk to them, not at them. Here's a myth, you need to be on every platform. Nope. You just need to be on the right ones. Let me break it down. SEO, great for long-term leads. Google Ads, quick results, high-intent users. Social media, brand building and trust. Email, retention, repeat customers. Here's what I recommend, pick 2 channels to start with. Master them. Don't try to do everything, do what works. Let's be honest, pretty posts won't pay your bills. You need strategic content that does 3 things: attract, use reels, carousels, blog posts to grab attention. Educate, share how-tos, tips, and explainers. Convert, use strong CTAs, testimonials, and irresistible offers. Now here's a tip. Don't wait for perfection. Let's talk money, but don't stress. You don't need 1 lakh rupees per month to grow. Here's a basic digital budget: 10,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees on Google Facebook ads, free tools like Canva, Google Analytics, MailChimp, or hire an agency like Hemworld, where strategy, tools, and experts are bundled in. Don't pay for guesswork, pay for outcomes. Let me tell you something, if you're not tracking, you're guessing. Set 3 simple KPIs, cost per lead. Website traffic. Social media engagement. Every 2 weeks, sit down for 30 minutes. Ask, what's working? What's not? What can I improve? Marketing isn't a one-time task. It's test, tweak, repeat. If you're doing these 3 things, you're wasting money. Quick warning, avoid these mistakes: boosting posts without strategy, writing content without a goal, running ads without a landing page. If you're doing any of these, stop and refocus. So, now you've got the plan. You know the steps. But maybe you're thinking, sounds great, but I don't have the time to do all this myself. Totally fair. That's where we come in. At Hemworld, we handle your entire digital growth, from strategy to SEO, content, ads, and more. Want us to build your plan and execute it for you? Book your free consultation at Hemworld Digital Marketing and let's grow your business together. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More tips coming your way soon.